Hello everybody, I have another unboxing today. This is an eBay deal. It was sold untested, 4 parts. Let's see what it is. No Cotty today. She's been hiding, thanks just due to the icky weather. So we'll unbox this. Let's see if this ended up being a good deal or if it ended up being a bad deal. So this is a BPM Microsystems 1610. I've already got 1710s. So let's see how it looks like. That was everything that was in there. That was a quick unboxing. Okay. I need to get this stuff unboxed, so I need to have room. So let's just plug it in and see what happens. Okay, it powers up and hits pass. So I will check the software here. Let's see, I think I'm pretty old. I need to update it. Okay, we are in demo mode. We don't need to be in demo mode, but it detects. Okay. Let's see. I need to put more, let's see, was that update 34 maybe? I don't know. I got so many BP wins installed. Okay, the following serial number is either unregistered or not valid for this software release. A new version's been released, and she detects without being in demo mode. So that's good. Let's power it down. Drop in. And nice thing about the 1610, 1710s is you don't have to register them. So I need to install the most current software on this. I think they're up to 807 or 808 now. Okay, she detected the SM48D. Let's see, I programmed this one here the other day. That was a 256. We will try this one. Let's see if it reads or if it blows the chip up. Well, data pattern. Yeah, it looks like she read. Let's go to verify. Verify. So, that was a score. That was a big win. Now to open it up and do a little bit of magic to it. We'll catch y'all later.